A dividend is a reward that a company gives to its shareholders on a per-share basis. Dividends are usually paid out quarterly, in cash, and on a per-share basis. You can pocket the cash or reinvest it to buy more shares. You can reinvest dividends yourself, but many companies offer their own dividend reinvestment plans. These are known as DRIPs, and they automatically buy more shares. Reinvestment can be a good strategy because it's easy. Once you set it up, reinvestment happens automatically. Reinvestment is also flexible. While many brokers don't allow fractional shares, you can buy them with reinvested dividends. And it's consistent. You can buy shares regularly each time you get a dividend. This is dollar cost averaging in action. If a company continues to thrive and your portfolio is well balanced, reinvesting dividends will benefit you more than taking cash. And despite the benefits, there are times when reinvesting doesn't make sense. If you're near retirement and you need the income, if an underlying asset is performing poorly, if you want to diversify, or if it throws your portfolio out of balance. If you have any questions about reinvesting, it's always a good idea to chat with a trusted financial advisor.